Today's topic is in the section of virology. This topic is paramyxoviruses. The learning objectives in this Viruses are group of the viruses that binds to the mucin receptors on the surface of red blood cells. In the Greek, myxo means mucin, and mucin receptors cause clump to cause the hemagglutination. Now, myxoviruses are classified into the two types, that are the Orthomyxoviridae and Paramyxoviridae family. According to this classification, we will see some differentiation point of Myxoviridae family is 80 to 120 nanometer, and size of Paramyxoviridae are 100 to 300 nanometer. Shape of the Orthomyxoviridae are spherical and rarely filamentous, whereas shape of Paramyxoviridae are pleomorphic. Nucleic acid of the Orthomyxoviridae are spheric, negative sense single-stranded RNA, segmented, and it has 8 species. Then Paramyxoviridae has nucleic acid of negative sense single-stranded RNA. Nucleic acid has unsegmented and single species. Genetic recombinations of the Orthomyxoviridae are seen and Paramyxoviridae are not seen. Antigenic variations are seen in Orthomyxoviridae, and in Paramyxoviridae antigenic variation are not seen. Site of RNA replication in Orthomyxoviridae are nucleus, and in Paramyxoviridae it is the cytoplasm. Important human pathogens of Orthomyxoviridae are respiratory syncytial virus and metapneumoviruses. Now, in the family of Paramyxoviridae, the group of viruses which are transmitted via the respiratory tract, following which cause localized respiratory infection in children and dissemination occurs. Then, rubella virus is though not a paramyxovirus because of its resemblance clinically and epidemiologically to measles virus. It has been discussed in this topic. Then morphology of Paramyxoviridae. Size of this Paramyxoviridae are vary from 100 to 300 nanometer. It possesses a helical nucleocapsid of 18 nanometer size. RNA contains single-stranded RNA, which is linear, non-segmented and negative sense. It contains 6 structural proteins. Envelope is, the nucleocapsid is surrounded by a host-derived lipid envelope in which the following virus-coded peplomers, that are the glycoproteins, are inserted. Figure shows fusion proteins, then hemagglutinate, then nucleocapsids. It has a single-stranded RNA, then lipid layer of envelope and matrix layer and RNA. Glycoproteins of the paramyxoviruses are F glycoproteins and larger glycoproteins. Characteristic of family Paramyxoviridae are according to their subfamilies and genera. Subfamilies are Paramyxovirini and Pneumovirini. Subfamily Paramyxovirini has genera of Respirovirus, Rubella virus, Morbillivirus and Henipavirus. Then Pneumovirini has a pneumovirus and metapneumovirus. Human viruses of Paramyxovirini are genera Respiroviruses has human viruses of parainfluenza 1 and 3. Genera Rubella viruses has human viruses of mumps, parainfluenza 2, 4A and 4B. Genera Morbillivirus has measles and genera Henipaviruses has a Hendra, that is Hendra, and Nipah virus, that is a zoonotic infection. In subfamilies Pneumovirini virus has respiratory syncytial virus and genera metapneumoviruses has human metapneumoviruses. Nucleocapsid of respiroviruses has 80. Rubelloviruses has also 18 nanometer and morbilloviruses has 18 nanometer. In the genera of pneumoviruses has nucleocapsid of 13 nanometers and metapneumoviruses has 13 nanometers. Large glycoproteins that are the hemagglutinin and neuraminidase. Hemagglutinin in respirovirus is present, rubella viruses has present, morbilloviruses has present. Neuraminidase in Paramyxovirini has respirovirus present, in rubellovirus also present. In other genera it has not presentation. And then fusion proteins is present in all genera of these subfamilies Paramyxovirini and Pneumovirini. Inclusion is seen in cytoplasm in respirovirus, rubellovirus, then pneumoviruses. And in morbilloviruses it is present in cytoplasm and nucleus. In parainfluenza viruses, it is a major cause of lower respiratory tract infection in young children. It has 5 serotypes. Type 1 and 3 belong to the genus Respiroviruses, and type 2, 4A and 4B belong to the genus Rubella viruses. Pathogenesis and clinical manifestations of these parainfluenza viruses are respiratory route by direct salivary contact or by large droplet aerosols. The incubation periods appears to be 5 to 6 days. Mild common cold syndrome such as rhinitis and pharyngitis is the most common presentation seen in all the serotypes. Then bronchiolitis, infection of bronchioles. Otitis media, most common complications. Reinfections are common but less severe. There is no cross protection between the serotypes, and immunocompromised patients are susceptible to severe infection. Epidemiology, it is worldwide in distribution. Type 3 is most prevalent serotype. B is a milder illness. Important cause of outbreaks in pediatric wards, daycare centers and in schools. Laboratory diagnosis by antigen detection. infected exfoliated epithelial cells of the nasopharynx can be directly detected by immunofluorescence tests by using specific monoclonal antibodies. It is a rapid but less sensitive than viral isolations. Now viral isolations. Specimens such as nasal washes, bronchoalveolar lavage, fluid and lung tissue can be used. Specimens should be inoculated as early as possible to obtain best results. And primary monkey kidney cells are most sensitive. Alternative is a continuous monkey kidney cell line, that is LLC-MK2. They produce little or no cytopathic effect. Serum antibodies can be measured by neutralization test. Hemagglutination inhibition test or ELISA are also done. Presence of IgM or Colford rise in the IgG titer is indicative of active infections. Reverse transcriptase PCR are highly specific and sensitive but available only in the limited settings. Aseptic meningitis. Pathogenesis of mumps viruses are transmission, respiratory route via droplet, saliva and fomites. Primary replication occurs bloodstream, result for glandular epithelium, and the classical sites include the salivary glands, testes, pancreas, ovaries, mammary glands and CNS. Clinical manifestations. Incubation period is days. It is about 9. This is more common in adults than in children. Cause bilateral parotitis, epididymoorchitis, aseptic meningitis, ophuritis, pancreatitis and atypical mumps. Epidemiology is worldwide, sporadic cases occurring throughout the year with a peak in cases typically in winter and spring. Epidemics occur every 3 to 5 years, typically associated with unvaccinated people living in an overcrowded area. Period of communicability. Patients are infectious from 1 week before to 1 week after the onset of symptoms. Most contagious mumps virus is shared in saliva, respiratory droplets and urine. Source. Cases are the source of infections. There is no carrier state. Subclinical cases are 30 to 40% of all cases. Reservoirs are humans. Annual incidence of mumps is about 100 to 1000 cases per 10,000 population worldwide. Age is 5 to 9 years age are most commonly affected. However, no age is exempted if there is no previous immunity. Disease tends to be more severe in adults. Immunity. One attack gives lifelong immunity and secondary attack rate is high. Or oral swab. It can also be detected in saliva, CSF, urine. In urine, it's said up to 2 weeks. Seminal fluid and rarely blood. Massaging the parotid gland area prior to swabbing is recommended. Direct viral antigen detection is specific immunofluorescence staining of clinical specimens. Virus isolations are monkey kidney cells are the preferred cell lines. Specimens should be inoculated immediately. Viral growth occurs after 1 to 2 weeks can be detected by demonstration of cytopathic effect or heme adsorption. Cytopathic effect will seen by cell rounding and GM cell formation. Shell wire technique is followed for rapid detection in the 1 to 2 days. Serum antibody detection by ELISA. It is most widely used as a separate ELISA format are available for detecting mumps-specific IgM and IgG separately. Mumps ELISA is highly specific, does not cross-react with para-influenza antibodies. Detection of IgM antibodies or a rise in the IgG titer indicate active tests such as neutralization test, heme agglutination inhibition test, and complement fixation test are seldom used now. Reverse transcription PCR is able to detect mumps-specific RNA such as N gene in clinical specimen. It is highly sensitive and specific. Genotyping is done regarding small hydrophobic gene, variable region of the mumps genome. Treatment, not specific antiviral drug are available. Treatment is mostly symptomatic, but not effective, hence not recommended for treatment of post-exposure prophylaxis. Now prevention by live attenuated vaccine. Live attenuated vaccine strain are prepared in a chick embryo cell line. Mumps vaccine is also available as a trivalent MMR vaccine or quadrivalent MMR V vaccine. Monovalent mumps vaccine, it is not commonly used. Schedule is 2 doses of MMR is given by IM route at 1 year and 4 to 6 years before starting of school. Now, third one is a measles virus. Measles is an acute, highly contagious childhood disease characterized by fever, respiratory symptoms followed by typical maculopapular rashes. Pathogenesis, transmission by droplet inhalation over short distance and less commonly. Small particle aerosols that remain suspended especially in schools, hospital and enclosed public places in the air for longer period. Spread of the viruses. The virus multiplies locally in the respiratory tract, then spread to the regional lymph node. It enters into the bloodstream in the infected monocytes. It causes primary viremia. Then further multiply into the reticuloendothelial system. Then spill over into the blood and it is called secondary viremia. Then dissemination to various sites occur. Target sites are predominantly in the epithelial surface of the body, including skin, respiratory tract and conjunctiva. Clinical manifestations. Incubation period is about 10 days, which may be shorter in infant. Prodromal stage lasts for 4 days. Fever, public sport and non-specific symptoms. Stage, maculopapular dusky red rashes appears. Typically appear first behind the ears, then spread to face, arm, trunk and legs. Then it fade in the same order after 4 days of onset. Fever at the 20 days, then public sport 12 days. Initial stage, it is characterized by weight loss and weakness. There may be failure to recover and gradual deterioration into the chronic illness. Measles, it is a Koplik spot in the figure shows Koplik spot in the buccal mucosa. Measles rashes in the faces. Then third one is a multinucleated GN cells of measles infected cells. Result from secondary bacterial infections, that is otitis media and bronchopneumonia are the most common. Recurrence of fever or failure of fever to subside with the rest. Worsening of underlying tuberculosis with a false positive Montroux test. Complications are due to the measles virus itself are G and SARS pneumonitis in immunocompromised children, and HIV acute laryngotracheobronchitis. It is also called as a croup. When diarrhea, it leads to vitamin A deficiency. Measles encephalomyelitis, measles inclusion body encephalitis, and SSP, that is a subacute sclerosing panencephalitis. Nasopharyngeal swabs, conjunctival swab, blood respiratory secretions, urine are the ideal swabs are recommended. Then antigen detections. In the infected cell, it can be detected directly by using anti-nucleoprotein antibodies. Viral isolation is done in cell lines. Kidney cells or lymphoblastoid cell line are optimal cell lines used for isolation of measles. Vero cell lines in the CDC recommended cell lines. Cytopathic effects are Warthin-Franklin cells. Measles are specific IgM antibody in the serum or oral fluid or fourfold rise of IgG antibody in acute or convalescent phase serum. It is taken as a significant. Demonstration of high titer measles antibody in the CSF is diagnosis of SSP. IgM are detected by capture ELISA, whereas IgG are detected by indirect ELISA. Reverse transcription PCR, it is extremely sensitive and specific, also permit characterization of measles viruses genotype, molecular and biological studies. It can distinguish widely from vaccine virus strain. RNA can be detected in specimens up to 10 to 14 days post-rhesus, in contrast to virus isolation, which often become negative after 3 days of rhesus. No specific antiviral therapy available for measles, and treatment is symptomatic and consists of general supportive measures. Vitamin A has been effective in reducing the morbidity and mortality due to the measles. General preventive measures are airborne precautions such as N95 masks, etc. must be followed by Moitas strains are also used. Next, vaccine is available. It is in lyophilized form and it has to be reconstituted with a distilled 4 hours. Vaccine is thermolabile, hence it must be stored at -20 degrees centigrade. Once dose, it is a 0.5 greater than 1000 infective viral unit, it is administered subcutaneously. Side effects include mild illness, toxic shock, measles following contacts. Measles immunoglobulin can also be given within 3 days at a WHO dose of 0.25 mg per kg of body weight. However, both should not be given together. At least 8 to 12 weeks of gas must be maintained. Epidemic cases. Cases are the only source of infection and carriers are not known to occur. In subclinical infection, it is rare. Reservoir. Humor are the only reservoir of the infection. There is no animal reservoir. Viruses. before to 4 days after the onset of races. Patients are highly in hot failure tests. Secondary attack rate is very high, it is greater than 90%. Measles is a childhood disease. Immunity. No age is immune if there is no previous immunity. Measles elimination program. The target timeline for the Southeast Asia region. Coverage against measles and rubella. Second, it develops a case-based surveillance system. Third, develop and maintain an accredited measles and rubella laboratory network. Fourth, viruses, Nipah virus and Hendra virus. They are the zoonotic viruses isolated in 1994 in Hendra, Australia, and Nipah virus was discovered in 1999 Malaysia. Both Nipah Topographical distribution of Hendra virus. Viruses is by exposure to infected body fluids and excretion of hosts. Transmission of Nipah virus to human may occur after direct contact with infected bats, pigs, or persons. Consumption of infected raw date palm shape is thought to be another mode of transmission. In clinical manifestation, both the viruses can produce encephalitis in humans. Laboratory diagnostics, that is real-time PCR from throat and nasal swabs, CSF, urine and blood. It should be performed in early stage of diseases. Antibody detection by ELISA, it can be used later stage. Immunohistochemistry is performed on tissue collected during autopsy, which confirm the postmortem diagnosis. Prone to cause laboratory acquired infections and are classified as a biosafety level 4 pathogens. Treatment, no antiviral drug is available. Vaccine, a subunit vaccine using the Hendra G protein produce cross-protective antibodies against Hendra virus. Horses against virus is respiratory syncytial virus. Transmission is by contaminating fomites and by self-inoculating of conjunctiva or anterior nerves. Second is and may spread to the lower respiratory tract to cause bronchiolitis and pneumonia. Pathology, lymphocytes in large number migrates to site and secretes several cytokines which cause the following changes, like further bronchiolar infiltration of inflammatory cells, submucosa lead edema, necrosis of the bronchial epithelium, and formation of plugs consist of cellular debris and fibrin which occlude the smaller bronchioles. Clinical manifestation. Incubation period is about 3 to 5 days. Infants. RSV is the most common cause of lower respiratory tract infection below 1 year of age. Chest X-ray shows peribronchial thickening, diffuse intestinal inflammation, and occasionally lobar consolidation. Severe in premature infants and underlying congenital cardiac disease, bronchopulmonary dysplasia, nephrotic syndrome, or immunosuppressions. In adults, RSV produce influenza-like upper respiratory symptoms such as common cold, runny nose. Laboratory diagnosis. First, we will see antigen detection. Direct immunofluorescence tests detecting antigens on exfoliated cells. ELISA detecting antigens in nasopharynx. Cytopathogenic effect. Serum antibodies of less diagnostic importance, rather they are virus is rubella, family and only member. Single stranded RNA virus layers type of type rubella infections, that is postnatal rubella, neonatal childhood and transmission respiratory droplets via upper locally in nasopharynx and then spread to the lymph nodes. Subsequently, virus after 9 days, by which time both antibody and traces appear almost simultaneously, suggesting an of the rest. Clinical manifestations. Incubation period is about 14 days. Range is 12 to 23 days. Rashes are often the first manifestation in the children, but in older children and adults, 1 to 5 days stage often precedes the malaise and upper respiratory symptoms. Rashes are and post-auricular. Isolation in monkey or rabbit, origin cell line and then growth is detected by viral interference. Antibody detection by heme agglutination inhibition or neonatal rubella syndrome. Transmission, both the risk of transmission to fetus and severity. Risk after 5th month of pregnancy is almost negligible. 20% risk at 20. Neural defect. Most common defect of congenital laboratory diagnosis. IgM antibody do not cross placenta. Their presence in a neonate is diagnostic of congenital rubella infection. Reverse transcription of PCR to detect viral RNA. Prevention. General prevention measures. Airborne precautions. Rubella vaccine. It is RA26.3 live attenuated blast cells. Schedule single dose 0.5 ml of vaccination.